Hey, this is Jim with the Garage Door Doctors, and this video is part one of a two-part series covering extension springs and torsion springs. I'm going to do a torsion spring conversion on this door. Homeowner only wants to do it on one door for right now, but I suspect she'll want to do the other door here soon after she sees the improvement. But this door is in the down position, so I can show you the extension springs. That's the extension spring up there. It's a long, stretchy spring. Kind of dangerous in my opinion. That tension is transmitted all the way to this cable here through the sheave or the pulley up there, and it connects at the bottom of the door down there. And you've got one spring on each side, so the door is independently sprung on each side, which in its very nature I think is a flaw. I think it's inherently flawed, because even two brand new extension springs that are set to the same tension as much as you can achieve that, when the door goes up or down, it's going to pull independently from each corner of the door. And so the door tends to have a lot of wobble and rattle and vibration and so forth. So this door is the one that I'm going to replace the extension springs with torsion springs. And as I put this door down, these springs, there's one on each side, are going to stretch. And there's just a lot of friction, there's a lot of in my opinion, unnecessary moving parts, and then again, it's independently sprung on each corner of the door, and so it tends to wobble and vibrate. But just listen to the noise this door makes. It's just a really poor mechanical design, so just listen to this. I'm also kind of having to pull. It's kind of stuck, it's like the door's stuck right there. And I don't know, it's probably, it could be that sheave up there rubbing on the flag bracket or the vertical portion of the track. Could be the bearings, but it's just not a very good design. I don't know if you can see the door kind of shake as I put it down, but pretty bad. The door's not balanced at all when it's put in that way. You can see here where the homeowners put a lot of it's like axle grease or something in the tracks to try to smooth out the operation, but it doesn't work very well. So I'm gonna lift the door up and show you the torsion spring assembly that I'm gonna install. Terrible. So every time the door goes up and down, it makes that noise. It also beats on the operator. She thought she was gonna have to have her operator replaced, but I'm gonna be able to repair that. So this is a torsion spring assembly. Here's the torsion spring assembly. That's the torsion spring. All right, you wind that spring. This is the torsion tube. These are the drums. You have a drum on each side. Generally speaking, you're gonna have the black drum on the right side. You're gonna have the black winding cone spring on the right side. There's the center bearing. I'm going to lubricate that before I install it. There's my left-sided drum, the red drum that goes on the left. These are the end bearings that'll go on the tracks. Those are new end bearings. That's the right, and that's the left. Some of the hardware I'm going to use. These are cable stops I'm going to use to convert her existing extension cables to torsion cables. This is a set of torsion cables, but this is for a 7-foot tall door, and she's got an 8-foot tall door. Some of the miscellaneous tools I'll use: there's an impact 7/16 magnetic bit, there's the lubricant, some other wrenches and whatnot. So let me get started. Stand by for video 2.